apartment tours on Tuesdays and Thursdays and something fun on Saturdays. If you're new here, don't forget to click that button down below and subscribe. And let's just get straight into it. Today we are touring the Alcott Apartments here in Denver, Colorado. They are honestly really nice apartments. I like them a lot. They're pretty much in the city, so this would actually be a great time to just go ahead and jump into the maps to take a look and see exactly where they are.
So this right here is where the Alcott Apartments are located. There are a few different parking options, but I do believe they have a parking garage and street parking as well. I think I remember him telling me that they are backed up on parking because people were given extra spaces, so there's actually a wait list. So if you do apply here, keep that in mind if parking is important to you. So around this area, you do have a lot of restaurants and different things you can do. There's a yoga studio here, and just on the other side of the highway, there is downtown. So you have literally so many things to choose from. I love the Pig and the Sprout. It is so good there. Their bacon Brussels are bomb. You should try them. And there's a lot of other places that you can visit. Below that, you have the universities and the aquarium, as well as Elitch Gardens, which is an amusement park. And then Coursefield is to the right of that as well. And then looking at the transit options, you do have a few options here. I'm very sure they have some bus stops here in this area that would take you to the light rail, and then you could take the light rail to the airport or really to a lot of other places.
So I really like these apartments. They're about the same price as the place that I currently live at, which is about $1,700 a month. I don't remember the square footage, but I will try to find the floor plan that I toured and put the link in the description box for you so you can check it out. And when you walk into the apartment, you have the kitchen to your left, and the first thing that you see in this video clip are the like ash colored floors. I don't know, like an ashy color type brown. And they have gray cabinets, which are really pretty. They have like the lines in the cabinets. Honestly, I thought that it had a texture on it, but no, it's smooth. I even went up and tried to touch it. There are stainless steel appliances in this apartment, and also I really do like the backsplash. It's like a white tile backsplash. It's very pretty. I think that backsplash does add to the apartment and make it look a little bit more clean and pull everything together. You also have a lot of storage within all of the cabinets. You have cabinets below the sink with white countertops and a full-size sink. That's really nice if you go through a lot of dishes and you are a lagger and you put stuff in the dishwasher late, or if you wash your dishes by hand and you just let them stack up until you have to wash them. It's nice to have a big sink so that it doesn't get all gross, and you have to put it like on the side of the sink because that's a little ratchet. I do that sometimes. And then you do have a full-size washer and dryer in unit, which you know I always say is so important. I literally do not like sharing washer and dryers. That's not my vibe. I have been in situations where people have literally taken my clothes out and put it on like a dirty countertop after I literally just paid to wash my clothes. It's just a hassle because you have to be there like on time to get your stuff out, then also to put your stuff into a dryer right away. Otherwise you're gonna end up sitting there waiting, which is super annoying. So having an in-unit washer and dryer is definitely a luxury, but it is like a necessity at the same time. Also, people are dirty. Like, you don't know what people are washing off their clothes. So just think about that. The living room is honestly a decent size. You could definitely fit a nice big couch in that area, or you could style it like they have with just like a normal size couch and then a chair to chill in, which adds to the vibe, the style of the place. And if it's just one person, that's something that you could definitely do to like pull the place together. In the living room, there isn't a window, but there is a big glass sliding door that leads out to your own private balcony or like patio, I guess, depending on what floor you were on. And this unit was facing the pool, just so you know, so you would have like literally a view of people swimming. And then I believe obviously the outer units get all the sunlight, so keep that in mind if you do apply to this place. Okay, going into the bathroom's honestly really big. I like big bathrooms, but in this unit you do get a backsplash along the bathroom, like the shower. I do think that looks really cute. Actually, it matches the kitchen, so I feel like that's kind of cute, but I really like the white tiles in the bathroom along the wall. I feel like it really adds something. It's not just a plain boring wall. There's also a little shelf in the corner. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that is a very cute detail. They just have like a little flower there, like a fake flower. I don't know what you guys would put there. I don't know if I would have a fake flower in my shower, but that's just me. But nobody's living here, so whatever. You do get the stand-in shower with the bathtub. I always say super nice if you'd like to take baths. This is a place for you. The bedroom is also pretty big. It looks like you can actually fit like a full or a queen size bed in this room with nightstands and probably a dresser. You do also have a sliding door, which leads to another private balcony or patio depending on the floor that you are on. And then for the closet, you do get a full size like walk-in closet, lots of space. They have the built-in shelves with the hanging compartments. That is really nice. I know that some videos are better than other videos, and the reason for that is just because sometimes when I go to do apartment tours, these people don't know that I'm filming a YouTube video, and the reason that I don't tell them is because every time I have brought it up, they tell me that I cannot film there because of legal reasons.
Correction, they have to talk to their legal team first.
And I do understand, like, I'm going behind their back. At the same time, I don't feel like I'm really doing anything wrong. I'm more of promoting all of these places. I chicken out while I'm there to pull out my tripod and like make it super stable and like take really good shots like I do in a self-guided tour, or when I meet a really cool leasing agent and I'm like, okay, yeah, this is for a video, like. But that's the reason, if you've ever wondered. Like, I do really try to get the best videos out that I can, and I'm trying to think of more ways that I can improve these videos for you guys, because I want to make them more fun for you to watch. I have fun making them, but it's hard. Like, I work a lot. I don't really have time to sit down and like be creative and think. Honestly, I don't have time to do a lot of things, so I just, like, I'm trying. Another quick update, I'm gonna quit ADT again. I don't like working there again. It's just, I don't like it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe, become a member of my squad, and like this video as well so that I know you guys aren't mad at me for posting lackluster videos at times. And that you want me to continue doing apartment tours for you guys here in Denver, Colorado. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. Bye. Fearless.